Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. Tips of RPA in motion. It's beneficial to have a general idea of how robotic process automation tools complete tasks and interact with other systems. RPA technology has an interface for the user to see what the robot is doing and if it's active. RPA process automation completes a task in 4 steps. To explain these steps, let's use the example of email automation. 1. Collection. The robot software collects attachments from the user's email inbox. 2. Transfer. RPA software takes the data from the inbox and transfers it into another document, like Excel. 3. Generate. The robot software generates a report from the data in the spreadsheet that it copies into its designated online system. 4. Confirm. The RPA tool notifies users that it completed the task. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.